Okay guys, this is part 2 of my tutorial on how, well, it was actually part 1, because the first one, who really cares? So, what you really need is this foam board. Cut it into circles. I cut mine to the edges so that you could see the color there. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then what you'll want to get is this. Yes, yeah, tape, so use every day, it doesn't really matter. Well, then, so you get this. I hit mine a few times. See some dents there. Oh, don't make huge hits like this one. That's what's gonna really dent this. So, yeah. So what you want to get is 3 to 4 strips. Some of the time I use 4. I'm going with the red one. 3. I'm probably going to put 3 on this one. So yeah. I'm going to put 3 on this one. Just give me this. So you're going to take a few strips of tape, about 7 meters, about 5, 6 centimeters, and you're going to want to tape it onto your board, like so. So then you got that. And you want to go to your rock band drum. So, got it. You put it there. And here, you tape it around the shell and through the back, and you just take more strips of tape, keep doing it over and over and over until you got it right. So, you could do that. Well, it doesn't have to be how many I'm using. You could use as much as you want, but to me it's 3 or 4. Just make sure it doesn't bend the whole thing, like that. Just make sure it doesn't do that, because then it's going to seem queer. Then you're going to want to tape it lightly. Put it on. For this one, I'm probably going to use 2. 3 to be on the safe side. So, yeah. And then you put it right there, lightly over the shell. Don't push down. There. The mod is now done. You are safe to play. There's the other ones. This one was my first layout, then I trimmed down the sides so you could see the colors. But we all know this is yellow. So stay tuned for more of my rock band vids and guitar vids. Later.